Hey everybody, I am coming on really quickly. I know it's late when I'm posting this video on Thursday. Just to let you guys know about the Facebook event page for A World of Heart. So I haven't really talked much about this. I just have had so many other things going on, but I have been working behind the scenes on a lot of things for this event, and it is going to be amazing. So as you can see here, it's March 21st and March 28th. All right, so if you have Facebook, I recommend you going and RSVPing to this event. That way you could stay up to date with the schedule, all of the sponsors, and all of the people that have donated prizes for this event. All right, so I always get ahead of myself, so I have filmed this voiceover or screen record probably 50 times. So what is A World of Heart? So it is essentially like a regular YouTube hop, except everybody that is participating is doing a live stream in a different hour, if that makes sense. So first we're going to start off on March 21st with Justine Hovey, and then after that hour, the first hour, you will hop over to my channel if you wish, and then the next channel, and then the next channel. And I believe it ends at 5 p.m. on the 21st. I believe it ends at 6 p.m. on the 28th. And there is going to be so much inspiration, so many wonderful crafters that have agreed to give an hour of their time, and I truly appreciate it. And there's so many sponsors. I cannot wait to show you guys what all of these sponsors have donated for prizes. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. And last year everybody had so much fun and found new people to follow, more inspiration, new crafty ideas to do. It's just a fun event, something different than a regular YouTube hop. Last year I did it for 24 hours straight, so for 24 hours there was a different live stream. I couldn't do that this year. It was way too much work last year, and I stayed up for the full 24 hours, and there was a few people that lasted the whole 24 hours with me. I couldn't do it. So I split it up into 2 days. I'm going to show you the schedule here. So this is the event page. Like I said, head on over to Facebook. I think you can RSVP to the event. There is 2 different days, so whichever day suits you. And you definitely don't have to show up to every single live stream. You can pop in here and there, see who your favorites are, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So here's the schedule. And on March 21st, we're going to start off with Justine Hovey and end with Olga. And then March 28th, we're going to start off with me at 8 a.m. and end with Carissa. So on March 28th, it actually ends at 7 p.m. Pacific time. This is all Pacific time. And once you RSVP to the event, it will tell you, it will kind of convert to your time zone, I believe. And on March 21st, it is all card makers and scrapbookers. And then on the 28th, it's all more mixed media styled crafters and creators. So it's going to be fun. I don't want to make this video way too long, so I hope you can join us. If you can, head on over to Facebook and RSVP to the event. And don't forget to share this. I haven't really shared a lot about this event. Like I said, or I think I said, I filmed this like 15 times. I have just had so many other things going on, and I just haven't had time to film a separate video. And I need you guys. I am hoping you guys will share this and support this event. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope to see you there. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.